Good morning, happy Monday. I'm going to walk you through our first assignment today. So under week 10, you will see Monday's assignment. When you open up Monday's assignment, there are the directions for today's assignment. It is written in steps. And our first assignment today is in Discovery Education. So you are going to click on the very first link in Discovery Education. It will take you to the Climate and Factors That Affect It chapter. This is a pretty lengthy chapter. I would like you to read both the Engage and Explore sections. And as you are reading them, I would like for you to take notes on this note guide that I created. So if you click on the Google Docs, you will see this note guide that will guide you through these notes and help you pick out the important information. So if you go back to the Discovery Education link, click on that link. It will take you exactly to the chapter that I would like you to read today, and make sure that you are under Climate and Factors That Affect It, and then read both the Engage section and the Explore section. And then please answer the questions that are at the bottom of the page for each Engage and Explore section. Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions.